welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? This is Akshita and you're watching Delicious. You have already read the title. It is testing some trendy viral hacks from 2018. 2018 was one such year where we saw n number of viral hacks, DIYs and trends. But you know what? देखते टाइम ऐसा लगता है कि wow, seriously? How? Does this even work in real life? Don't worry, your girls got you covered. I'll try and test, not all, obviously, few of 2018's trendiest hacks and let's see if they are actually hack or whack. Because most of them I'm pretty sure are going to be whack, but let's see. So without further ado, let's get on in the video. So I have not tested this before. Everything that you'll be seeing today is raw. I have absolutely no idea if it is going to work or not. Let's see. If something really works, then it is really working. If it does not, then it has not worked for me. Starting with the first one is the beauty blender hack. For all the makeup enthusiasts out there would know how difficult and how tiring and how boring work it is to clean your brushes and beauty blender. So I saw this video where they just cleaned this beauty blender in like 20 seconds. Exactly. We are going to try and test and clean all of these three in the microwave. Let's see if this works. I'm super excited. These are the only beauty blenders I have. I hope I don't screw them. I'm using this glass and I think इसमें एक ही जाएगा, which will I guess it is a safe bet ना, अगर एक ही खराब हुआ तो ठीक है. So you can see इतना पानी भर दिया है मैंने, which is 3/4, and then I'm going to use this hand wash. It is antibacterial, so I guess it will do wonders. I'm just going to pump. I guess. Okay. I guess itna should be enough. I'm going to dip this in. Okay. I'm super nervous and excited about this. Okay, chalo, let's go to the microwave. I don't know, let's do 40. My god, it's hot. Okay, the water is a little cold now, and as you can see, I'm actually surprised. It's not entirely clean, but major part looks extremely clean. This is not because this was the dirtiest part, but this looks pinky pink. The water, muddy. What I'm thinking is, let's do another round and let's get 100% sure. See, like most of it is clean. Only thoda part is filthy. I guess वो थोड़ा और runny water में डाल के हो जाएगा. But this is the outcome. Okay, so we're done cleaning and this is the final outcome, and I think it is 80% clean. I'm not kidding. Frankly speaking, I did not expect it to work, but yes, obviously it did not work पहली बारी में. अगर हाथ से clean करने जाती तो I guess बहुत effort और बहुत time लग जाता, and ये outcome शायद I don't know, it might or might not have been possible. So I'm kind of digging this. And from मेरे तरफ से it is a big yes. Go ahead, wash it. But yes, don't expect कि 100% clean होगा. You have to like squeeze it थोड़ा runny water के नीचे and थोड़ा manual effort तो डालना पड़ेगा. And बस ये है कि तुम्हारा effort बहुत कम हो जाएगा. So that was hack number 1. I hope you enjoyed that. Let's move on to hack number 2. Hack number 2 is the balloon beauty blender hack. I know how funny, but according to them, तुम्हारे पास ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर हो ना हो, बलून तो हमेशा रहेगा. तो चलो भाई बलून से फाउंडेशन लगा लेते हैं. How stupid is that? मेरे को बलून खरीद के लाना पड़ा. ठीक है, तो anyways, I brought a packet of balloon and this is what I have. Okay, तो अभी सही है. मैंने इसको काफ़ी छोटा फुलाया and kind of looks like a beauty blender, like उतना ही shape है. So what these guys are suggesting is कि you can get the same blendability जो एक beauty blender से मिलता है with a balloon, which I'm 100% sure is going to fail, but let's try it out. Okay, so I have my foundation right here with me, which Oh my god, it did blend well. I I'm surprised. How? I seriously thought that this will not work because the beauty blender is obviously sponge ka na, to आधा चीज it absorbs, and that's how you get that blendability. You are obviously, this is a balloon. It does not have, it's not a sponge. It's not going to absorb anything. It's just going to slap the foundation onto your face and gonna make it look cakey, or going to sit in your fine lines, and it is not going to get absorbed in your skin. Also, the major problem is it's not going to go into the details or the corners of your face, like the eyes or the nose parts. Hygiene wise, thoda no hai because of the quality of the balloon, the material, and blah blah. I loved it. I don't know, I have mixed feelings for it. I might or might not use this. That's that. Let's move on to hack number 3. The third one is the curler and liner hack. For the girls out there who spend a lot of time on curling their eyelashes and then lining their eyes, this hack is for you, where you can do both things in one go. Yeah. Let's see if that works. Don't get super excited. Let me just clean एक side ka, and then let's do this one. So this is how it works, right? So the black part touches the eyelid. So अगर you want an eyeliner right there, मतलब ये जो lower part है इसका, the lower line, you'll have to apply eyeliner उधर, and then just do this. लगा तो लिया है, देखते क्या होता है. What did just happen? Seriously? I was not expecting this. No. Absolutely no. ये तो ऐसा हुआ है कि मतलब तुम खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार के वो तुम्हारा आई मेकअप जो है वो खराब कर रहे हो. नो, इससे अच्छा टेक, if you can't work with liquid liners, trust me, go and buy a felt tip liner, which is also a liquid liner, but it does not have a wand. It has a sketch pen kind of a tip, so it gives you utmost precision. Let me clean this mess. I look horrendous. There is one more eyeliner hack coming your way. Pray to God that works. So the next one is using dental floss to draw wing liner. I know what you're thinking, but जो वीडियो में वो जो लड़की दिखा रही थी, it kind of worked and I was amazed, but पता है यार नहीं होने वाला है. Let's try. So what they do is कि with the help of this they draw as a line and use that line as a guidance and then draw the wing liner over that. Okay, अभी problem इसके कितना कलर करूँ, I have no idea. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं मैंने यहाँ पे लाइनर लगा लिया है. कहाँ किधर है लाइन, कैसे समझेगा? जय माता दी. What the F? यही मैं तुमको बोल रही थी कि नहीं समझने वाला. ये जो मार्किंग है मेरी, यहाँ से मैंने लाइनर लगाया है. How will I know कि ये मेरा कहाँ पे रेस्ट होना चाहिए? Where is that line? I completely screwed. Okay, let's do it again. Let's give them a benefit of doubt. I'll clean this. Let's do it again. This is absolute no. Absolute no. Sellotape. Sellotape से लाइनर काफी अच्छा आता है, मैं वो दिखाती हूँ. This is tried and tested. दिख रहा है? This is a double tape, but still see. See, you see what I'm trying to say, but that's the wing you want, and that's the hack you use, which is tried and tested. Don't go for the floss hack, won't work. Big no. Okay, so there is one more hack that we can try today. It's the upside down braid. इसमें क्या है? You partition your hair as you want, and then you braid it आगे से कुछ कुछ करके, and then you flip it, and voila, you'll have a good braid. If you have long hair, I think it will work for you better than what it is for me. So as you can see, it looks super pretty. अभी ऐसे का ऐसा पीछे आना चाहिए तब बात बने. Let's pray to God that it works. I'm not sure if you can see or how this is looking. I have no idea how this looks. कैसे लग रहा है? Please बताओ. इतना effort worth था? Maybe I have short hair, so I cannot comment on this one. If you have long hair, try this and let me know in the comment section if it works. नहीं तो universal no for this too as well. That's it for today's video. And I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if I should make a part 2 of this. Maybe not now, but after a few days or after a few videos. I had a lot of fun shooting this. I hope you guys had fun. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 2000 subscribers. And comment section is all yours. Go comment. I'll be replying to all of them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!